India is moving towards a new era in the energy sector. Under the leadership of the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, the country is laying a strong foundation for a clean, self-reliant and sustainable energy future. At the heart of this transformation is the PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana, which has turned rooftop solar into a nationwide movement by bringing the benefits of solar energy to millions of households. Launched on the 13th of February 2024, the scheme aims to promote rooftop solar adoption and empower households to become energy self-reliant. It provides subsidy support of up to 78,000 rupees and has set an ambitious target of connecting 1 crore households with rooftop solar systems by 2027. PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana has accelerated this transformation, with millions of households adopting solar energy and taking a significant step towards energy self-reliance. It is clearly reflected in India's rapidly growing solar capacity. From an installed solar capacity of just 2.82 gigawatts in March 2014, the country has expanded to 154.24 gigawatts by April 2026, an increase of nearly 55 times in just 12 years. This remarkable achievement underscores India's emergence as a global leader in clean energy and highlights its strong commitment to building a sustainable and energy-secure future. To mark the successful completion of 2 years of PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana, May was celebrated nationwide as the month of solar. During this nationwide campaign, the country witnessed unprecedented enthusiasm, culminating in a remarkable milestone of 3,234 rooftop solar installations. In another significant achievement, India set a new record on 29th May, with more than 15,000 solar installations completed in a single day, reflecting the growing momentum of the nation's clean energy transition. Let's take a look at the states that performed exceptionally well during the month of solar and drove this solar energy revolution. Taking the lead in the solar race, Uttar Pradesh has set a brand new record. With 64,734 installations in just 1 month, 3.4 times its May 2025 count, UP is leading the clean energy revolution in the country today. Known as India's industrial hub, Maharashtra is showcasing its might in solar power as well. With 54,246 new installations, 2.4 times last May, Maharashtra has now become the second state to enter the 6 lakh club after Gujarat. Gujarat, a powerhouse of renewable energy, has proved once again that it stays ahead in solar adoption. With 35,311 installations and a cumulative total exceeding 6.1 lakh, the highest of any state nationally, Gujarat continues to lead by example. Rajasthan, carrying the boundless potential of its scorching sun and vast desert lands, marched forward strongly with 26,183 solar installations, nearly 4 times its May 2025 figure, making a stellar contribution to this record-breaking month. Famous for its natural beauty, Kerala is fast becoming self-reliant in solar energy too. With 20,525 installations, an all-time monthly record, up 80% from May 2025, its people have proved they are always at the forefront of future technologies. Andhra Pradesh also shone bright with 15,187 installations, its best ever monthly performance and nearly 3 times the May 2025 count. From the heartland, Odisha delivered a stunning surge, 12,964 installations, nearly 8 times its May 2025 figure, scripting one of the campaign's most remarkable turnaround stories. Haryana made history by setting all-time records across every performance metric simultaneously, with 11,983 installations, 4 times its May 2025 count. The Northeast's pride, Assam, stepped up powerfully with 11,793 installations, more than triple last May, proving that this region too is firmly on the solar map. From central India, Chhattisgarh scripted an extraordinary journey, from 562 installations in May 2025 to 9,294 in May 2026, a 16-fold rise that stands as a symbol of the nation's solar awakening. Completing the top 12, Tamil Nadu is fast rising as a southern solar force, recording 5,810 installations this month, more than double its May 2025 tally. Nestled in the Himalayas, Uttarakhand swept all 4 award categories in its group, recording 5,594 installations with remarkable consistency, proving that the solar dream shines bright even in the mountains. Jammu and Kashmir secured second position across all award categories, registering 2,579 installations, 77% above last May, embracing solar energy even on Himalayan rooftops. The serene hill state of Himachal Pradesh took confident strides by doubling its May 2025 tally with 820 installations, affirming that every mountain home can power itself with the sun. And from the world's highest cold desert, Ladakh, despite challenging terrain, registered 144 installations, a 50% jump over the previous month, proving that no corner of India is left behind in this solar revolution. The success of this nationwide campaign was driven by the significant contributions of vendors and technical partners across the country. Outstanding performance was delivered by Prasanjit Electronics in Northeast India, Solar Square in North India, Virgin Power and Engineering Private Limited in South India, OMM Energy Solutions in East India, and Solar Square in West India, helping accelerate the adoption of rooftop solar under the scheme. PM Surya Ghar, Muft Bijli Yojana is now more than a rooftop solar program. It is a symbol of India's commitment to energy self-reliance and a sustainable future. From 2.82 gigawatts to 154.24 gigawatts of solar capacity, millions of households adopting solar, record-breaking installations, and initiatives like the Month of Solar reflect India's rapid clean energy transformation. This progress has been driven by the collective efforts of vendors, technicians, manufacturers, discoms, and millions of citizens. Together, they are powering a greener, energy-secure, and Viksit Bharat.